Today, we'll show you how to pair your hearing aids to your smartphone. While this is not a requirement of all hearing aids, it is now a standard feature on most devices, which allows the user to benefit in more difficult listening environments. First, we need to put the hearing aids into pairing mode. You can do this by simply opening and closing the battery door, putting the hearing aids into the charger, or pressing down on the program button until the hearing aid turns off. Once the hearing aid is turned back on, pairing mode will last up to 2 minutes. Once the hearing aids are put into pairing mode, you will then locate the settings icon or app on your phone, click on the Bluetooth menu, and the hearing aid should be detected automatically by your phone. Once the hearing aid is detected, click on the hearing aid tab in the Bluetooth menu, and it should connect automatically. The pairing process will vary between all hearing aid manufacturer products. Call Colorado Ear Care at 303-233-3142 to discuss connectivity with us today.